Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, we'll be looking at the construction of the Abule-Ado and Tradefair under bridge, and also this video will be covering a lot more aside from the bridge and the road construction. We'll be looking at the phase 2 construction bridge concerning the blue line rail and also the overhead flyover pedestrian bridge and the condition of this area. We'll also be discussing about the bad tanker parking areas in Lagos around this road has been causing a lot of traffic, and also it is very risky because of how they are being parked on the main express road, and also with a lot of accident rates occurring in Lagos due to these tankers and also fire outbreak. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel so that this video could get to more people and we could create more awareness. In a minute we'll dive into the video. Please don't forget to like and also subscribe. So, as we all know, Lagos is building a massive road that is going to help boost transportation in Lagos and also put Lagos on the map. As you can see, Lagos are building perfectly made road for just the BRT bus, which is also known as the Babatunde Raji Fashola Transport back in the days when it all started. And also, these BRT are now being better because they have introduced the newly built electric, and also will be covering the consequences that these electric vehicles might be causing, but that will be on a different topic now. Looking at this Abule-Ado and Tradefair road, it has been in a complete mess due to the high rise of demands around this area. We all know that Abule-Ado used to be a popular place even before the likes of Festac came into the limelight. Abule-Ado has been existing actually, which people go there to buy items, especially Tradefair, and this Tradefair doesn't come up easily on people's mind because it has been known as underbridge. Whenever people are going to Tradefair, they just tell the driver, I'm going to underbridge, and this underbridge used to be beautiful with lots of free road to commute. But in the recent years, people has gradually turned the underbridge to a market, selling and buying things under the bridge instead of using the main market known as Tradefair. So with this course of marketing and also bad road network connection, it has led to a lot of damages around this area, causing a lot of traffic and also spoiling the road which was built in the previous years. So they are doing a current rehabilitation, building this bridge and building this road, and also maintaining and chasing people out of the main road and letting the road flow peacefully, as you can see on this video. So now moving on, you will realize that this flyover bridge or this pedestrian bridge in this area are not being used. As you can see, most of the iron are already falling apart, and it has gradually become a humble abode for some people. That's those who sleep under the bridge, and most people has turned this place to their home entirely without considering the fact that this pedestrian was built for people crossing and also reducing the risk of accident instead of people using the express and not using the pedestrian. But due to a high level of people sleeping on the bridge and also causing a lot of insecurities, people tend to cross the express by themselves. But due to time, once this blue line rail is completed, it's definitely going to have electric fence like the ones at my two, Orile and the rest, which will make it impossible for people to cross the road, and they have no other options to use the pedestrian flyover to get to the other side of the road. And as you can see, this road construction is also mostly focused on the blue line rail, which has an overhead bridge, a terminal at Abule-Ado, and also which connect under the bridge at Tradefair Market. This is the construction progress, and this is where they are currently at. I'll also show you the drainage and lots more on this video. The drainage that is being constructed around this area isn't that deep because this area is known for good soil which help reduce the risk of flooding. Abule-Ado, or rather mainland as a whole, has been known to have low or zero flooding in terms of heavy rainfall. So that is why mostly the drainage around this area are usually shallow and also very easily connected to the canals around. If you go to Festac, you notice the drainages there are very wide and also kind of deep. But this drainage connects all the city together and pushing the water immediately to the canal, which connects the water to the rest of the oceans. Unlike the island where there is low or poor drainage system, which causes a lot of flooding, and already island part of Lagos is already known for lots of flooding issues, and these things actually affect in terms of people trying to relocate or migrate to other places in Lagos. Looking at this construction, we will definitely call this one a progress because obviously it is a progress, and this construction is one that you'd really need to look into before making your decision in where to stay, where to reside, and where to relocate to next. The problem in Lagos is that everywhere easily turns to market. Once one person starts, the rest people join. This is under bridge and this is the Abule-Ado area. This is the road linking both cities. Tell me what you think about this video. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. My name is Emmanuel Bernard and I hope to see you on my next video. Don't forget, I post videos every day, so do well to come back, check around, and also stick with me as we get better along the road. See you in a good way. See you next time.